this is fucking crazy, dude. It's crazy.
Historic rainfall fell on eastern Missouri and southwestern Illinois from Monday night into Tuesday morning, breaking a 100-year record to set a new all-time daily rainfall record for St. Louis. About 6 to 10 inches of rain fell from midnight to 6 a.m. across the region. Transportation routes across St. Louis experienced flooding, including the closure of I-70, with multiple people needing rescue from homes and vehicles. A number of residents across the area have also reported flooding in their homes, and a local emergency shelter has been opened. More than 6,000 power outages were reported in St. Louis County, and more than 1,100 in neighboring St. Charles County. Subscribe my channel and press the bell.
Freaking crazy.